Come ride along with me as I explore the incredible world of motorcycles, drag racing and its history from the legends who paved the way to the racers, builders, and personalities who helped shape the sport we know today. This isn't just about motorcycles. It's about the people, the rivalries, the victories, the heartbreaks, the crazy moments, and the unforgettable stories that happened both on and off the track. I'll be digging into the history of motorcycles and drag racing, sharing rare photographs, old race bikes and cars, legendary racers, forgotten tracks, and stories from an era when racers built their reputations one pass at a time. Some of these stories have never been told. Some of the people behind them have been forgotten, and some of those photographs haven't been seen in decades. I want to help bring those memories back to life. Do you have a story? Do you have old racing photographs? Did you race, build, tune, sponsor, or promote motorcycles? Know someone whose story deserves to be told? I want to hear from you. Send me your stories and photographs. Tell me who the racers were, where they raced, what they rode and drove, and what made those days special. Your memories could become part of the story I'm sharing with thousands of motorcycle and racing enthusiasts. Like the page so you don't miss the next story. Share this post with someone who lived through those days. Subscribe to the channel and come along for the ride. Because drag racing history isn't just about how fast you can go. It's about the people and the memories that remain long after the engines stop. Let's bring the history back to life, one story, one racer, and one photograph at a time. Who should I feature next?